So I've created an AI chatbot that replies in multi-language, and I'm just going to show you how it is going to work. So let's say I'm just going to type my question in English and I'm just going to send this question which says, I want to start a free trial. What do I need to do? So yes, you can see that it is replying me in English. Now let's ask this same question in Hindi which says, मुझे free trial start करना है, क्या process है? And I'm just going to send this question right over here and let's say that it is replying me or not. And we just have to wait for a few seconds and it is replying me in Hindi only. And let's try with Spanish. And as you can see that this is the same question I've wrote in Spanish language, and you're going to see within seconds and in real time it is going to reply me in the same language only. And yes, this can be very useful for you if you also have a global customer base, because what happens is that multiple customers message in multiple languages and it is not humanly possible to know all of these languages and reply and solve user queries in all of these languages. So for that we have this amazing AI chatbot which is a multi-language AI chatbot. In this video I'll show you how you can also create this AI chatbot for your own business who is going to reply the customers in their own language and very much personalized replies. So if you also want to create this automation, watch this tutorial till the end. For that you have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. This means that you can send up to 100 of messages free on WhatsApp or reply to 100 of messages for free using Pabbly Chatflow. This means that you are going to try Pabbly Chatflow for free, and once you try Pabbly Chatflow and if you like it, you can definitely purchase a subscription plan. And not only this, you watch our YouTube videos, so I have a special discount coupon code for you which is attached right over here. If you wish, you can definitely use this discount coupon code to get a very good discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. But this discount coupon code is only valid for lifetime deals and the yearly plans. But I promise you that you're going to get a very good discount if you use this code. So I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Chatflow. If you like it, then you can go further and use this discount code. So now let's see how to create this multi-language AI chatbot. So for that you have to open your dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And yes, after you come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, you have to make sure that you have added your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And if not, you just have to click on this add WhatsApp number button and add your WhatsApp number. A video tutorial dedicated towards how to add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow is attached in the description box below. You can refer to that. As you can see, I have already added my WhatsApp number. Now let's see how to create this AI chatbot. So for that, from the left hand of the side, I'm going to go towards this AI assistant feature. Once we're on this AI assistant, we have to click on this add AI assistant, name our AI assistant and click on this add AI assistant button. Once we click on this add AI assistant button, a window something like this will appear in front of us. And this is the most important window because using this only we're going to create this AI chatbot. So the first thing it is asking me for is the instruction type. So over here you have multiple options: custom prompt, AI agent, customer agent, and so on. So what you have to do is you have to select the custom prompt right over here and you have to give a custom prompt in order to create a multi-language AI chatbot. And you must be wondering from where you're going to get these instructions. So for that, I'm just going to attach these instructions which I have used in the description box below in a Google Doc. You can refer to that and you can copy the instructions from there and paste it in your AI chatbot. Not only this, you can also customize this for your own business, but you're going to get these instructions which I have added in the description box below. You can simply copy and paste it in the instructions section right over here. And apart from this, we also have some pre-built examples like AI agent, customer support agent, and so on. So if you want, you can select the instruction type, any one of this also, and add a line or instruction of replying in any language. I'm going to keep it as custom prompt. I'm just going to enter my custom prompt right over here and you're going to get this custom prompt in the description box below. You can check it out. Alright, so now let's move on further. The next it is asking me for is the temperature. So temperature means how creative the AI answers are going to be. So if you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if you move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So I'm running a SaaS product business and for that I want very focused answers. So I'm just going to keep the temperature as 0.2 right over here. You can set the temperature according to your own specific business needs. Alright, now it is asking me for the AI to use, so I'm just going to select it as OpenAI. For the model, you can select any model of your choice. I'm just going to select it as GPT-5 Nano right over here. Now it is asking me for the API key, so over here to get this API key, you have to visit to your OpenAI API key page. Once you're on this OpenAI API key page, make sure to log in. And once you log in right over here, you have to click on this Create New Key. You have to enter the key name, select the project, and click on this Create Secret Key button. Your key will be created. So copy the key and paste it right over here in your AI chatbot and then click on this connect. Once we're going to click on this connect, it is saying OpenAI key saved successfully. So we are ready to move on further. Now it is asking me for the AI assistant settings. So over here you can manage some settings like the header and the footer message. You can simply switch it on right from here, enter the header and the footer message right over here. Apart from this, we have this top keywords. So what is this top keywords? So over here you have to enter the keywords that the user can type to stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords right over here, but over here is a trick that when you add the keyword, you have to type the keyword and then press enter. Otherwise, the keyword will not be added. Once again, I'm just repeating this, that you have to type the keyword and then press enter. Otherwise, the keyword will not be added. So it is very important that you keep in mind this thing. Alright, the next which we have is this retry attempts. So over here you have to specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond, and the valid range is between 1 to 10. So if you wish, you can definitely keep it as somewhere between. Now we have this fallback message. So over here you have to enter the message to display when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So what you can do is you can add your support email address right over here. So if the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly and the user has some emergency, they can contact you on Gmail. Now after this, we have completed this instructions. Now let's go towards this knowledge source. This is a very important part of our AI chatbot. So as you saw that this AI chatbot was replying me so accurately. You must be wondering how this AI chatbot knew that the free trial was of 14 days. Because this AI chatbot was replying using this knowledge base which I have already created. And if you also want to create an accurate AI chatbot, make sure to create a very good knowledge base. And how you can create this? For that, open a blank Google document, enter the details related to your company. Like about your company, then who you are, your mission, what you offer, and the rest of the details like the pricing, plans, onboarding process, billing and payments, and all of this. Also mention the FAQs. Apart from this, you have to make sure that you mention this multi-language response protocol. It is very important, and we're going to see that I have mentioned it right over here. Also, I've given this bot some example scenarios using which it is going to answer very accurately, and I'm just going to attach this knowledge base also in the description box below. You can check out my knowledge base too, and you can create this knowledge base for your own business too, according to your own business needs and wants. So you also have to create a knowledge base something like this, then go on this file, download, and download this knowledge base in TXT or PDF format. Both TXT and PDFs are supported, but I'll suggest you download this knowledge base in TXT format, because for TXT we don't have any limit, but for PDF we don't have limit for text PDFs. But if you have PDFs that has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. So I'll suggest you go for TXT. You have to go towards this choose a file, then go on this downloads, and simply upload your TXT file right over here, which is your knowledge base right over here. Once you upload this, you're going to see this vector ID, which is the proof of successful uploading. The next which we have is this assistant interface. So over here you have to enter the heading name. So let's say I'm just going to copy the heading name of my business, and I'm just going to paste it right over here, and it is going to edit it on the right hand of the side too. Same goes for the subheading, and same goes for the initial message. You just have to type the initial message and then press enter to add the initial message. You can add up to 2 initial message. Each message will appear in a new chat bubble. Alright, now we have this display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you wish to display this, keep it as enable, and if you don't want to display this, keep it as disable right from here. The next is this footer text and footer link. So you can use this as the disclaimer or the link to your privacy policy. Footer text will turn into the link if you add the link. If the link is not added, the text will show as a plain text like this. And the next which we have is this user's first message. This message will be sent on WhatsApp as the initial message from the user. So let's say I'm just going to keep this message as hey. You can keep this according to your own choice. The next which we have is this styling. So you can can style your AI chatbot, you can change the theme, you can change the shape, you can change the background colors, the profile pictures, and so on. And this AI chatbot is ready. Now what you have to do is you just have to turn on this toggle button and click on this Save AI Assistant. Now this AI Assistant is ready to run. And how you can run this for your business, or how you can use this for your business, for that you have to go to this embedded, and you're going to get this script. You can simply copy this script and paste it on your website. Then this AI chatbot will be added on your website. Then whenever someone is going to click on this chat with us button and then start chat button on your website, this AI chatbot will select this message as hey, which was the initial message, and this message will be sent from them towards you on WhatsApp, and further this AI chatbot is going to reply. The second thing what you can do is you can go from the left hand of the site towards this inbox section, and you have to assign this AI chatbot to particular contact. So let's say I want to assign this AI chatbot to this contact, then I can go towards this choose AI chatbot and I can assign this like this right over here. Now whenever this contact is going to message me, this AI chatbot is going to reply. And then further, if you want to assign this AI chatbot to multiple contacts at once, then what you can do is from the left hand of the side you have to go towards this settings and then inbox settings. Once you're on this inbox settings, you have to scroll and enable this AI auto replies. Then you have to select the contact list and the AI assistant who's going to reply to all the contacts in this list, and click on this save. Now whenever any contact from this list is going to message you, this AI chatbot is going to reply. Further, if you wish to learn how to create contacts list, we have a detailed video for the same in the description box below. Not only for contact list, but a detailed video for all of these features of Pabbly. Chatflow is attached in the description box below. You can check it out and go try this amazing AI chatbot for your own business, who is going to solve all your user queries in multiple languages. You can see that I have tried multiple languages like Spanish, French, Arabic, English, Hindi, and so on. And you can also create this AI chatbot who's going to solve all your user queries, and you don't have to know all the languages. So go and try this amazing chatbot, because right now we are also offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any doubts, you can drop them in the comment section below. My team is definitely going to help you out. Further, if you like Pabbly Chatflow, the coupon code is attached in the description box below. Don't forget that. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.